Hello, fellow shooters and Second Amendment advocates. This is Ricky, and I would like to share with you today a method that I have recently discovered on how to effectively, safely, and accurately shoot this AR-15 pistol. Now, you have heard that there's a controversial accessory that goes with this pistol, and the ATF have this directive. As you can see here, with my AR pistol, that I have taken out the brace. Who needs the brace? Nobody needs the brace. With my method of shooting this particular firearm, you're not supposed to shoot this as per ATF using your shoulder. You can't without the brace. How are you going to shoot this way? And how are you going to look at your sight? It's impossible. You're not going to be safe. I am utilizing the red dot sight system, which is made by Hollison. No magnification, because that is one thing that ATF was saying, you cannot put a magnified sight. You can put it anywhere you want to, as long as you would be able to see the dot with both eyes open. So let me install this here. There you go. Raise it up, and you will be able to see your target. I do have also a technique so my eyes will be familiar with where the dot's gonna be when you raise up the firearm. I do that with peripheral vision. Here I cut a piece of material, so I'm gonna stick this into the front of my sight, and this will adhere right away without the sticky thing in it. Here it goes. See, I can see the mass, zone A, headshots, headshot, zone A. Let me see those flowers there. With the sight blacked out, your peripheral vision will kick in. With both eyes open, you can see the dot superimposed on the target without looking through the lens of the sight. Now, if you are on the range and you will be holding your AR pistol, I would utilize a 2-point sling. I would attach this QD lock on one of the mounting points and hooked up to the other end. So this is just a simple way to walk around on the range, and then same thing, raise it up. You'll be on your cheek and shoot, and then engage your target. With this kind of adjustable 2-point sling, you could adjust it by pushing it forward through this loop to make it shorter, or bringing it towards you with this loop, and it extends the sling. And you could put your arm through here, and that stabilizes the firearm. So when you push it forward, the buffer tube will weld into your cheek. And still will be able to see the dot, not moving around. Even when it fires, you could still see where it is. If you follow my method, you could still use your pistol. As long as the brace is no longer there, it's still a pistol per ATF. And no magnified sight optics, and still it is an AR pistol. Again, this is Ricky. I hope you'll try this and see for yourself a better way to use your AR-15 pistol without a brace. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe.